So hey, welcome back to Jamison Run. It's actually a little sunny out today, which is wonderful. I'm enjoying that. It's been raining for a week straight. It's about 45 degrees and slightly sunny, as you can see behind me here. But decided to do a little work on our dump truck today. Just a few things that need to be patched up. It's an old dump truck, a 1976 GMC, old square body, which is definitely one of my favorite truck styles. But bed needs a little bit of work. Some of the bracing underneath needs a little bit of love, you know, those kinds of things as it goes. So let me show you what we're working on here. So right here, we got a little bit of a rust spot there that's kind of breaking through. And whenever they built these beds, I'm not sure why they used C-channel on them, or maybe this was square tubing, but definitely, as you can see, the bottom's rotted out here a little bit as that moisture got in there. So I mean, it's just, you know, it's an older truck. A little bit of bracing issue right here. Never affected any of the use of it or anything like that, but definitely stuff we want to, you know, kind of cut out, replace, and do those kinds of things to just keep it in good running order and keep it strong. Got a lot of miles on it, but it does us well for what we do. So I just want to give it a little bit of love. So we're going to work through that process today here. We're going to be getting some measurements. We're going to be cleaning this up, cutting some pieces of steel. And actually, we'll probably do the cleanup after we cut the pieces of steel, because we don't want to do, we don't want to clean these up, cut the pieces of steel, and then we're going out this evening. So if I get caught midway in the project, I don't want to clean all this up and then have it start to rust over or get dusty again before I can start tomorrow or in the beginning of the week, whatever the case may be. So we'll cut the pieces of steel for it, and then we will clean it up and we'll put some bracing in there. And we'll do all that in one shot with the welding. That way it stays clean, and we can give it a quick spray underneath and stop the rust. So enjoy. Ladies and gentlemen, whenever you're doing this stuff, safety first. So anytime you're grinding or cutting, make sure to put on your goggles. First 2-foot brace, we'll clean that up a little bit. I just wanted to clean these up since it's easier on that long piece, and then I'll run it down this inside as well where we're going to be doing the welding. But good thick stuff, man. That's 3/8 steel. Ooh. Pieces cleaned up. Now we'll kind of measure them up, see if they fit in. Which side goes to which? Well, it doesn't really matter, I don't think. Well, it's fit, or do we need to trim it down a little bit? That's about perfect fit. And actually, ladies and gentlemen, that's what I mean. Look at that. It's a nice tight fit there. Very nice tight fit here. So we'll be able to go ahead, and we're actually going to set it in here like this. We're going to tap that up in there, but yeah, that way we can weld on the back side of this as well as the sides and along the bed. Just put it in place. Try the other side. Let's have that kind of luck over here too. Let's see here. This one might need trim just a little bit. Yep, looking like it. Yeah, we're gonna have to trim this piece just a tiny little bit there. 30-second off, so make that adjustment. No problem. Alright, so we're gonna make an adjustment to that end. We're just gonna use a sanding disc because it really doesn't have much here, so. Woohoo! We're so close. Yep, still need a little more though. Grinding's never clean, never fun. Unless you're doing it on a workbench and just clean steel, but you're actually working on stuff, I've never ran into that. Alright, so we're gonna start the welding process here. Keep in mind this is more like form welding than it is true welding, just in the sense that no matter how much you grind, things are usually not perfectly clean. You can't get perfect angles on things. So yeah, we're gonna tackle on and do the best we can, put those supports in. So we'll see how the setting is on the welder. We'll be able to hear whether it's good or not. Let's try it out. Timeout. I forgot to do the old cardinal rule. First thing you should do whenever you're welding on a vehicle is disconnect the battery. Okay, we're back. I'm gonna give you a little better angle here. Man, those welds are not pretty, but they are structural, at least structural enough.